Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm cooking Banga Soup, and this is mostly common in Bini, Edo State, and in Delta State, Nigeria as well. So what I'm using to make this delicious Banga Soup today, I'm going to be using dry fish. I got it from the African store. It's very common. Then I have the Banga paste. This is what it actually looks like. I have palm oil, which I'm not using. I don't know why I have it. I have salt, I have jumbo seasoning, I have Scotch Bonnet, I have normal ghee, then I have Ponmo, I have beef, I have fresh fish, and then I have Shaki. So if you look closely, you see that the momo is already pre-cooked. So I already pre-cooked the momo and the Shaki before I started recording. This is because they take quite a long time to cook, sometimes take a minute to cook. So I cooked them already, and I'm just going to cook them again for about 5 minutes before I have them the beef, so they can all cook together. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to add some water now to cook it, and then I'll add salt to boil them together. So after I add in my beef, I can then season the meat together. But at the moment, let's just have them cook before I add in the beef. So this is me adding the salt now, and then I'm going to have it to cook for 5 minutes. So initially I pre-cooked the Shaki and the momo for about 15 minutes. So that's why I have to cook them again, because it's not fully cooked yet. So I'm just going to add in the beef and then seasoning all the meat together for them to cook fully. As you can see, the meat is cooked now, so I'm just going to portion out some meat so that I can have enough space to mix the banga paste properly. And after mixing the paste, I'm going to add in the meat back into the pot again. I'm just gonna season the soup now, and then add the fresh fish, and afterwards I'm gonna add the dry fish, and then that will be the end of my cooking pretty much. Well, let's just see how this turns out. I'm just going to let this cook for about 10 minutes until the oil rises from the banga. As we know, banga is actually from palm kernel, and palm kernel is a source of natural palm oil that we use daily. So I didn't have to add any palm oil again. This is the natural oil from the banga or the palm kernel. So now I'm just going to add in the dry fish and then the blended Scotch Bonnet, and then cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're pretty much done. So this is the end of this tutorial. Now, just a little secret for everyone, this is actually my favorite meal. I love this with starch. I don't know if anyone knows what starch is, but it's mainly common with the Bini people in Edo State and the Urhobos in Delta State as well. Very delicious. You can also have this soup with ebai, pounded yam, or any other swallow, but I love having this with starch. Trust me, it tastes really good. And thanks for watching. I do hope that you learned something new today and you can try this at your own time as well. Thanks for watching again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any recommendations or comments, feel free to leave them. Thank you very much. Bye.